What's up, guys? It's Greeny from lovely Amsterdam. Day 3 of my European tour. That's where I am. I told you guys I would tell you where I was going when I got there. And I'm in Europe. I'm heading to 13 different countries. I'll be bouncing all over Europe. I just want to show you guys some of this new gear I bought for this trip because I don't have a laptop and I wanted to do editing on the go. I didn't want to wait till I got home like I always did. So check this out. I just recently bought this foldable little keyboard. It's pretty sweet. And this is a portable monitor. I have the Mac Mini, so I can just take this unit wherever I go. At my home in America, I have a huge screen. I have a huge screen in Thailand, and now when I'm on the go, I can take this thin little screen with me, and it works pretty good. So this is my little workstation. This is the room here at the Holiday Inn, and I don't remember how much I paid. It was a little over $100 a night, I think. But I use that IHG credit card and get a ton of points. So it really works out. You know, I get the amenity points. I get bonus points because I get that Premier credit card. There's a link in the description that has an application for this credit card. And like I said, if you travel a lot, I always stay at IHG and I get tons of free nights, tons of points, all that type of stuff. I also wanted to tell you guys about some products I'm going to endorse. And you guys know me, I'm not like buy me a cup of coffee type of guy. I don't ask for any donations. Don't send me any money. Don't give me anything for nothing. But I got to tell you, and you know I won't promote any items unless I've actually tried them out myself. So there's two things that I've been using on this trip. One is this app. It's called Airalo. And I have a link down in the description. And what that is a SIM card for wherever you go. You just, sign up, then go onto the app, and you tell them what country you're in, and you just upload the SIM card right to your phone. And I've used that now in Israel and here in Amsterdam. And let me tell you, it's a pretty good deal. In Israel, I uploaded it, and I got the electronic SIM card. It was $22 for 20 gigs. When I got to Israel, I went to the airport to check how much 20 gigs would have been. It was like $75. So it saved me big money by using this app. Here in Amsterdam, same thing. I just uploaded it before I got here, got off the airplane, bam, I'm on my phone, I'm ready to go. Working no problem. So I have a link down in the description, use my code. The other thing that I'm using here on this trip, and I've been using for a long time, is ExpressVPN. And, if you're going to be traveling or coming to Thailand, you got to have a VPN. I mean, I'm able to stream my channels from America. I have Comcast cable in America, so I can watch all my regular TV channels when I'm on my phone, on the go. The VPN works for your home, your phone, whatever. And there's a lot of websites that you go to, like my HSA website. There's a lot of things when I'm in Thailand, I can't access it there. I have to have that VPN to show I'm in America to be able to access these websites. And I've tried a couple different VPNs, and they don't work on this Mac. Like I couldn't get them to work the right way. ExpressVPN is the only one that I've been able to get to work the right way. And you can sign on in like 94 different countries. So it works really good for me. I have a link to that in the description. If you sign up, you get 49% off. And I think maybe 3 free months on top of that. I'm not sure, but I know you get at least 49% off. So check those links out. Don't support me. I'm just passing along information. Things that work good for me, and hopefully they'll work for you guys too. And what the hell, if I can make a few extra bucks that way, why not? All right, let's get into the video. I learned a lesson here in Amsterdam. Travel's back. People are back. The streets are flooded, and I learned that the hard way on this trip. Let's check it out. So what's happening here? I'm in front of the central train station, and bicycling is very popular here. You see everybody on bicycles, a lot of people. They rent them everywhere. I've seen a few motorbikes. I haven't seen a place to rent motorbikes. I don't know. It's kind of busy here. Some of the streets are narrow. I'm just going to walk. I'm not riding a bicycle or taking a motorbike here. Another thing I found out was you used to be able to just smoke pot wherever you wanted. Now it's a law. You can only smoke pot inside places. You can't walk around the street smoking. I think I found my new car. Wonder if I can get this sent to Thailand, one of these babies. So every block or so is a canal, and all the architecture on the canals seem to look very similar. I love it. It's pretty cool. A lot of like little houseboats and all this type of architecture here, just standing right on the canal. It's beautiful. It's a really neat place. So this is the Anne Frank House Museum. Sold out for the next 3 days. You cannot, you have to buy tickets ahead of time. Who knew? Who knew? Line all the way down the street here, and then employee walking around telling people, did you buy tickets online? Well, if you didn't, you got to come back Thursday. You can buy them for Thursday. I'm not going to be here Thursday, but I got to show you guys something else. I've already smashed into, there's these things everywhere. They go up and down. Some are permanent, some are little metal ones, these barriers, and I've already smashed my leg and my knee into them twice. So I'll show you the front of the house, what it looks like here. So this is the actual house here. And if you don't know the story, Anne Frank and I don't know, I think like 7 other Jewish survivors hid here for years from the Nazis. And it would have been a cool tour, I guess. I was told it's a cool tour, but no, This is a museum you can just walk through or probably go in. Just look at this, amazing. So apparently all these things you have to buy tickets online, and they're sold out here. It's sold out online already, but I was given a tip that I can go to the museum shop down here and they have tickets. So the Van Gogh Museum's down there. I'm already right here. I could walk down there and not be able to get tickets, so maybe I'll just see if I can get these tickets here and go in this one. Got my tickets. I'm going to that one. You guys getting dizzy yet? I think the Van Gogh is way down there, so I'm too lazy to walk. I've already walked about 3 miles today. Let me flip this around. It's beautiful here, though. I think I'd have to walk way down there. There's all kinds of museums over here. This is really beautiful open area. There hasn't been that many open areas like this that I've seen in Amsterdam, but this is nice. So let's go in here, see if anything's interesting. So in this museum, if you want to see Rembrandt, they make you work. I had to go up like 5 flights of stairs. Now I'm dying after already walking 3 miles, but let's go see. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to video or take pictures in here, but I guess this is the big draw here, Rembrandt. Okay, you're allowed to take videos, so let's see. Let's see Rembrandt. I don't know what all this stuff is. Alarms. Must be a pretty valuable painting, eh? Okay, I'm wrong. Not for security. They're restoring this painting so people can still see it. And there's that machine that's like scanning it, and they're, gonna restore the painting. Pretty cool. This lady answered all my questions here. My last night in Amsterdam, and I'm trying to find some traditional Dutch food. Does that make sense? So I found this place here, and I just get here. There's an entire Chinese tour group waiting to go in. So it doesn't even look like I'm going to be able to get in there. So I don't know. I've been striking out trying to find Dutch food. I think French fries are Dutch food. Maybe some sausage. I have no clue. Danish? Is Danish Dutch? So sitting at the bar, and I asked what pilsners they have, and they have this one that's gluten-free. And sometimes I get stuffy, although I didn't last night, but sometimes I get stuffy when I drink beer. So I'm going to try this gluten-free beer. This is it, Mangozo. A little strong, stronger than the beers I was drinking last night, like flavor, but we'll see how it reacts to my sinuses. All right, last meal is going to be a homemade beef and ale pie. Beef and ale pie. He's raving about it. They weren't lying. Like, look at this. This is real beef in there. Got some broccoli, homemade mashed potatoes. Okay, so this is like roast that just melts in your mouth. It's so soft. And the pie is like, it's like a flaky little dim pie. This is really good. Try the broccoli. They cook that in something. It's like a little pickly. It's really good. Homemade taters. Wow, excellent.
We've been open about 4 years. Got locked down for a year for the lockdown. The little girl's still outside, the girl on the wall here.
So you named it after your dog, yeah. Black dog, because you have a black dog?
It's like English sound and like the red lion, the black swan. That's
right.
And yeah, it was an obvious choice. Okay. And to be honest, it was a really handy marketing tool in the end because I could put pictures of Molly on Instagram and stuff. But yeah, she's a bit reluctant celebrity and she's not as big as that.
I read some nice reviews about your place on Google, so I'm walking around looking for a place, and I was like, all right, I'm trying this. Let me go look at your dog. I'll be right back.
Yeah, she's down there. She's having a dinner.
Okay. There it is. Oh, look at that dog wants to eat me. Hello. Kind of shy. All right. Very cool. Thank you.